Hi there, my name is Nervtek Tech Camp. I'm the CEO of Nervtek. So we just concluded the 2024 edition of the Holiday Tech Camp. It was mind-blowing seeing the children presenting their projects and all the excitement, all the creativity, all the innovation. They have been able to prove that they came and they learned, and they were able to show that they have the talent, they have the skills to solve problems in their communities. And we can't wait to see what the future holds for them.
This is our solar powered house, and that's a bell. And we also have a buzzer in there to act as a desk for the bell.
With rights for the department, this is a small body with my own attached to lemon skin and then on the way. The lemon rooms with the deck. If it's possible, I am in front of him or around.
We want to help different students around the world to know that there's a place for them, especially tech students.
So the first thing we did, we empathize with some pregnant women or some women that were once pregnant. We asked them some basic questions of the color they like or the things that stress them when they're going to the hospital.
So you can request for a home service, and then the doctor will send a message to ask you for, let's say, the time that you'll be available.
When I see what those young people were able to showcase, I was really happy and very confident about the future, because the future is those young people and those skills that they already have. I'm sure that they will be able to apply it and also to bring a change in their communities and also to bring a change in their country.
I and my teammates took a lot of pictures in different directions and postures so that the computer can recognize us. We have noticed that in our community today, most people are not aware of cybercrime in our community. That leads to the spread of scam, fraud, and bankruptcy.
When the soil moisture sensor is inserted into the soil, if the soil is moist, no actions are going to happen. It's just going to read on the LCD screen that the soil moisture is okay. And then when the soil moisture is dry, let's say now, it's going to automatically water the crop.
This is the third year of sending my kids here. Even during the normal weekend STEAM boost, I think one of my son was there last year. And it has been a very wonderful experience. That is why you see us sacrificing a whole day like this to come here and be with the kids and then see what they can do so that we can better guide them to be future leaders. Now, for all the kids who were not opportune to be here today, I think this is an opportunity for other parents who did not know of this program to be able to know about it and then send their kids here next year.
When people struggle with complex mathematical calculation or specific computation related in fields like finance, engineering, or energy system, this can lead to errors or inefficiency in their work. Our calculator web aims to provide a fast, accurate, and user-friendly tool which will help in their work.
We designed a calculator web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with a clean and user-friendly interface that performs basic arithmetic like 1 plus 1 times 2 and complex calculations like cosine and cube and more.
I'm so thrilled, blessed, and happy to attend this second graduation ceremony of the Nervtek Holiday Tech Camp. In fact, I'm so proud of Zometa Nervis, the engineer himself, the tech enthusiast, and the presidential award winner, and his entire team of their sacrificial efforts and the wonderful work they are doing to ensure that our children from the ages 7 and above know technology at a very tender age. I believe that the next Elon Musks are going to be coming from Cameroon.
Personal info being out there for anyone to see. Privacy is a huge deal, especially for kids. And we need to make sure schools are super careful on how they handle and protect this data. If the data isn't protected, it could be misused. AI can do amazing things, but not at the cost of our privacy.
As we look into the future, we've also seen that AI has the potential to give us a profound education. But what matters is
how we harness this technology. We need to harness it responsibly and thoughtfully.
Hello everyone, my name is Abit Pridel Swansiswini Tema, and I'm a level 2 student from the Nervtek Holiday Tech Camp 2024. This was actually my first year coming here and my first year attending the closing ceremony, and let me tell you, it was awesome. I met a lot of people along the way. I've learned a lot of things. I mean, I could barely even type before I came here, but you can see me now building websites, building robots, and it's just been a fascinating experience. For those who don't know about Nervtek, well, you know about it now. I want you to know that this program, it's just amazing. I've learned so much. I've met new people and I couldn't be happier.
They have participated and they have worked in the past 7 weeks and they have been able to build, not just theory, but also practical. And I've been able to see kids, brilliant kids as well. They learn, they have been able to build, and they're also building for Cameroon and Africa at large.
My experience here today was remarkable. I was so impressed by what the kids did. I was so impressed by their projects and the fact that everybody had something to say about what they've been working on for the past 7 weeks. For those who could not make it here, Omar, you missed a lot, but there's next year, and I think that you should not miss this opportunity for yourself or for your kid or for any child around you who you think can be interested in STEM. Whether they're interested or not, it's just good to enroll them and see how it turns out. We know that tech is the future and you do not want to miss out on it.
The experience today was amazing. I got to see how the kids were very passionate about their projects, how they are so passionate about bringing change in the world and leadership and so on.
I'm so happy because today we achieved what we have been planning for the past 6 months. So today we had kids display their projects. We saw projects including projects relating to robotics, programming, web development. And I bet you what we did today is just the beginning. And I bet you we are planting the seed to change the Cameroon tech industry. And what I have to tell the public is, these are the kind of initiatives we need to keep on encouraging Cameroon. For parents who are not aware of this type of initiative, I'd advise them that you send your kids to these tech-related programs because it's from this that will start training the next tech service of Cameroon.
Today we had a beautiful ceremony on the occasion of the Nervtek Holiday Tech Camp closing ceremony, where we got to experience the amazing work our tech champions and innovators we have been training for over 2 months now have been doing. So we got a display of several projects ranging from different fields, from robotics to coding to artificial intelligence and so much more other frontier technological skills.
I'd like to end by thanking all our distinguished sponsors, the support from the Ministry of Post and Telecommunications, and the official sponsorship that we received from the United Nations Development Program that enabled the logistics, the implementation of the activity, the equipment and the training of the kids, and also all the other partners that join us in impacting the children positively to see the light in technology and to use it as a tool for development in their nations.
Let it not only end at this level, because when the children go above the high school level, they'll probably still need this. So I keep encouraging that the founder of this project should do well to probably think of starting a university of technology. There are so many people who will be ready to partner with him in order to make this dream to become a reality.